Hi, this is Amy. This video explains how to use a graphical interface to manage pipelines. We will cover it in 4 parts: create, view, edit, and delete. First, let's open the home page of Testany. Go to a workspace. In the upper right corner of the pipeline list page, there is an Assemble Pipeline button. Click on it and fill in the name on the pop-up page. Description of pipeline. And upload the YAML file of the pipeline. Regarding the preparation of YAML files, we have 2 methods. The first is by clicking this button. Opens the graphical interface of the pipeline assembler. For specific steps, please refer to the video how to use the pipeline assembler to create a pipeline. The second is to write the pipeline file directly according to the format and syntax of the pipeline file. Let's go back to step 3. Click the button to upload the file. Select a file and click Submit. On the preview page, we can check the name and description of the pipeline, test cases in the pipeline, and the conditional execution relationship between test cases, and the execution order of the test cases, and whether the environment corresponding to the test case is accurate. Then click Confirm Create at the top right. The pipeline was created successfully. On the Pipeline Details page, in addition to seeing the information we just saw on the preview page, we can also see that the owner, which is me, and which plan or gatekeeper it is used by. Because this pipeline is not currently orchestrated into any plan or gatekeeper, so you can see that the data here is empty. Then if we want to edit a pipeline, we have 2 options. One is on the Pipeline Details page. Click the Edit button at the top right. The second is through the pipeline list. Find the pipeline you want to edit. For example, 3553, there's a 3-dot button on his right. Click on this Edit option in its menu. Click on it to start editing. Same as before, you can choose to edit the name, description, or upload a new file. I'm uploading a new file here. Click Submit. In this page, I'll check if the information I just updated is accurate. Then click Confirm Edit. So the pipeline was edited successfully. Deleting pipeline also has 2 ways. Let's demonstrate one of them. Next, let's change the pipeline. Select 0002. Before deleting the pipeline, we need to be aware of one thing. Let's scroll down. Just now we mentioned this part used by the details page refers to whether the pipeline is used by any plan or gatekeeper. The current pipeline is used by a 0201 plan. So before I delete it, I need to find the owner of this plan. Ask him to delete the pipeline from this plan, and then I can delete it. Because the plan is mine, I can click the link 0201 to enter and delete it directly here. So when I go back to the pipeline just now, I check this part and there is no data anymore. Now I can successfully delete it.